Hai semua, kembali lagi bersama saya dalam tutorial kedua Google Certified Educator Google Slides Level 1. Jom kita pelajari lebih lagi tentang feature Google Slides yang mungkin akan disoal dalam Level 1. Kita akan pelajari dua tajuk terakhir Google Slides hari ini iaitu change ataupun edit styles dan juga cara untuk share slide deck. Let's learn how to change or edit styles. Okay, saya nak tunjukkan cara untuk edit ataupun change styles. So the first thing we should do bila kita create a new slide deck is choose a theme. So we have so many options here. So I'm going to pick this one. Alright. So I have it according to this theme and sekarang ni saya boleh tukar the font, right? So I can change the font, I can also increase the size as big or as small as I want, italicize, underline. I am also able to change the color. Okay, another function is this highlight tool whereby I can highlight the words accordingly. So toolbar ni adalah untuk our text. Next, we can also change our text box. So first of all, I want to fill the text box with a color. I can also create a color for the border and I can pick the thickness of the text box. So these are some tips untuk kita edit our styles. We can also, choose to make it in the middle, make the fonts in the middle. Alright, so all this will help our slides to be more appealing. Now we are down to our final topic, which is learning how to share a slide deck. Feature ini sangat penting untuk membolehkan kolaborasi antara guru dan murid. Okay, cara untuk share slide deck mudah je. We just have to tekan this share button. Kemudian there's two options here. The first option is to share with any emails. Right? And kita ada 3 option kat sini. Sama ada nak allow the person to be a viewer, commenter ataupun editor. And you can also type in a message. And I will click send. So this person would receive an email with the access untuk edit this slide deck. Okay, the other option that I would like to show you is cara menggunakan link. So we can copy the link. However, kita kena pastikan settings kita diubah. Kalau kita nak share dengan orang outside the academy, we have to change it to anyone with the link. And then you can copy the link and send it to whoever that you would like to share it with. And sama macam sharing settings tadi, kita kena pilih sama ada we want to allow the person to view, comment or to edit. That's about it. Okay semua, looks like we have learned kesemua 4 tajuk utama Google Slides. Dari creating a new slide deck sehinggalah sharing the slide deck with collaborators. With that, we are done with the final tutorial of Google Certified Educator Google Slides Level 1. Harapnya maklumat yang saya kongsikan bermanfaat untuk anda. Take care semua. Bye!